going on, guys? Welcome to MX. What's going on, guys? Welcome to MX. That's just what I'm gonna call it for now on. I'm done calling it whatever I want. This is Purple BU, and today I'm here with Dirtface07. Dirtfoot07. What a funny name. Funny. Don't you ever say that again. Let's go. Stew! Dean, can you shut the door?
I guess I didn't thank you. Thank you, I don't remember me. Usher!
Who the heck is Usher?
Me.
Your girlfriend? God damn.
Hey, we both died too.
Your girlfriend is Usher, huh?
Mama.
Your girlfriend.
Get out of here!
No!
I hate you.
Your girlfriend.
You see me
Your
going
girlfriend
up?
is Usher. And your girlfriend.
You idiot, you.
Me fart?
No, burp.
I'm burp. Brody's in last place.
I'm a ninth.
You're in
Look at
last.
this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this!
Brody might be a whiny little brat in this episode, so
Shut up.
yeah.
Who put this barrel there?
That was me. Hey!
Ah!
You said you do that.
I could.
Yeah. Messing with some oinks. Ah!
I put that.
No one messes with me!
Here comes the fast one. Yip.
No one messes with me!
No one messes with me. I'm in third place.
No one messes with me!
Oh gosh, I would. I'm out of the light. I'm in third. Oh, I'm in third place. Why are you doing?
No one messes with me! Ah! Oh man. Thought I knocked that guy over.
I wish you could.
I'm coming for you, Brody.
I'm way ahead of you. I'm in second place. Is this same?
Ah!
I'm in second place still. I'm in first place! Hey dude, what's how you doing?
Hey guys, it's P.
I'm way ahead of you, Bo. Oh, I'm way ahead of you. I'm already on the fourth lap.
I'm coming for you.
I'm coming for this guy. Purple blue.
Maybe I should just start off with, what's going on, guys? This is you.
I'm already in the
Ah!
You're still on the third lap. Oh, that was sick! I'm way ahead of you. I'm in first place. Speed run!
Speed is key! That's what Jacksepticeye would say. And then he would say, flips for days.
Flips for
Ah.
days.
Guess what place I'm in?
4th.
No. 3rd!
Oh gosh. Oh, you're actually 3rd. I'm in 1st. White flag.
No.
Yes! Thank you, dude. I'd rather be in 2nd.
I wish I could boost.
Oh my gosh, I could see the guy in the back.
Yeah, because you're going so fast.
Guess what place I'm in? Guess what place I'm in? 0.
How's that even possible?
Look at the clock.
Look at my clock.
Oh my
Jeez.
gosh. Almost in 1st place. Yeah!
Where's the 2nd place guy?
Made it in 1st place.
Yes! Yes!
I saw two.
Yes!
Made it in 1st place. Yeah,
Oh, there I am. Yeah.
There I am. We're brothers.
Shut up. I'm not your brother. Let's play it one more time. We're 7 minutes in. I look like a cow.
I have awesome on my butt.
You're not awesome, trust me. If you ever meet Brody in person, he's like, he looks like he's 8 years old. Brody looks like he's 8 years old.
I am 8 years old.
Oh, I forgot. Because you're an oinker.
I'm not going in 12th place. I'm not going in
You're in 12th place? I'm in 1st. And I got a lamp in my way. So I'm good.
No, I'm just gonna stay here and keep on doing this.
Keep her going.
Well, wait until you see me. I'm waiting until you see me. Am I right here?
Oh my gosh, I'm already at the finish line.
I just fell off.
We're like 5 minutes in. No!
Oh, I'm so bad at this.
Are you serious? No one beats me.
Oh, I'm waiting until you get over here.
Oinker!
Oh, I'm waiting until you get over
Weekend
here.
at Oinkers. What?
I'll be waiting until people get over here.
Gosh.
Get set. Ready? Get set.
I was so happy.
Hi, Bo!
Hold on, what?
I'm still in the first
You're
lap.
just
I'm just gonna sit here.
Yeah, I'll see you in the next round. He's going to the bathroom, really, guys. He's going. Is he brushing his teeth? Oh no, he's back. He's back. No!
Oh, what?
I'm in 7th.
I'm on the first lap. I'm way ahead of you.
We're on the 9th. No, Dan, it's like we're on the 12th.
Hey, dude!
It's like we're on the 24th lap, and then like.
Man, that first guy is so far.
No, I think that was number 13. Yes, there it is.
Why am I in 12th?
Because there's also a 13.
I'm still in 12th. I'm waiting until you see me. Stay here, brother.
Yes. I'll be in 4th with these guys. Why are you moving up? You're not supposed to.
Hi, Bo!
Hi, Brody!
Okay, my chicken.
No, don't do the race. Don't do the race. It'll be hilarious. Everyone will go like, what the heck is wrong with that guy? What the heck is wrong with that piece of
Thank
food?
you.
He's all like, what is happening? So long ago, this one I'm on the road, and down and go on the road. I'm on it so long ago. Oh, I thought you were just moving. Like, I thought you were just walking. No! I hate these people. I hate crazy kids. I don't even know what position I'm in. I could have been in 25th. Oh, I just cheated my way into 5th. Oh no, I was already in 5th. That's sad.
I'm waiting for you.
Hey, dude.
Hey!
Don't see me.
Hey!
Holy crud, there's a cow on the road! Ah!
No one has hit me.
Only one person's hit. Alright. You can. Hold on, I'll tell you when you can start. When you can start going. No, don't try. I'll tell you when you can go. Hold on, don't go. Freak out of my way!
You just said a bear.
I hit every single branch on the way down. Hold on, I'll tell you when to go. Alright, you can go.
Yeah, I'm in first. First lap.
I'm in first lap, baby! I want to see how far you get.
I just passed someone.
No, you didn't! You passed the first person! You're still in. I'm in third. You better be in second. Ooh, maybe I want some enchiladas when I get home. Ooh,
Got it.
enchiladas. Yeah, Dean!
Yeah.
You're on your second lap? Jeez, I'm on my 5th. I've been doing this ever since high school.
I've been doing this since college.
I've been doing this since preschool. Not losing. Come on. Second, yeah! Yeah, I bet that guy's all like, no way. That guy passed me on like,
Don't worry, Bo.
I'm gonna wait for you. Oh my god. I bet you're like the biggest loser ever.
I'm gonna
Now
get
everyone has to wait for you. Everyone has to wait for you, Dan.
I'm actually funny.
This is hilarious.
Yeah, I'm on the second lap.
Everyone's all like, what's happening? I finished in 1 minute and 0 seconds.
Yeah. Look at this.
Alright, so there will be a part 2 of this, so I'll see you guys later.